Hello, it is time for another review. I am very excited about this review because today I have on my reading glasses. I have my contacts and my reading glasses on, and my review has to do with my glasses again. And just a reminder, I am not associated with this company at all, or any of my reviews. I am not associated with the company. They're just things I wanted and I just didn't know if they were any good. Was it a waste of my money? So I thought I might as well review it and let you know if it's worth your money. So my review today is from Nerdwax. And of course, I don't know if I was influenced. It wasn't an influencer. It was probably like a Facebook ad that popped up, and I had to have it. Um, So the backstory is that I have been looking for years for a really good cleaning cloth. I used to have one that my father gave me when I was visiting his house, and it just got everything off. It was sparkly. I could see so clearly. It was easy to clean my glasses with it. It was wonderful. And of course, my child involved with an illness story, and I felt like I needed to throw it away, that it was no, it was kind of gross. So there was no saving that cleaning cloth. And I threw it away. I wasn't worried about it. I said, I'll just get another one. Well, that has to be 6 years ago. And I have bought cleaning cloths. I have bought cheap ones and expensive ones and all kinds of different cleaning cloths. And I don't know. Is it the cleaning cloths aren't good anymore? Or is it the way they're coating the lenses or something with the lenses? I feel like I can't get my glasses completely clean at all ever. Um, the best for me is just soap and water and maybe letting them air dry for the most part. And that's as clean as they get for me. And I would like them to be a little bit cleaner. So this ad came up from Nerdwax on my feed, and I'm a little bit of a nerd myself. So I wanted to get it, and I'm going to open it up now. And I haven't cleaned these glasses. We're going to see if they're clean when we're done. All right, here is my Nerd Wax envelope that came yesterday, and I've been waiting to open it with you, and we're going to open it. I have ordered 4 cleaning cloths. This one is for my daughter. We'll open that one up also. And this is the one that I wanted. And then I also like this one. And then I had to have this one. It's secretly nerdy. These are kind of nerdy, right? But these are secretly nerdy. Should we start with that one? This one I'm very excited about. So let's see. Some good information there. See if you can figure out why it's secretly nerdy. It just looks like a nice pattern. I will tell you, but I'm going to give you a minute. So it's a nice size here. All right, it's a nice big size. It's actually huge. Cleaning cloth. Oh, this is the back. This is the front. Should I zoom in on this pattern? Let me zoom in. Do you see the secretly nerdy pattern? That I think if you didn't know, if you weren't secretly nerdy too, you might not know what this is. Any guesses? Any guesses? You can put the answer in the comments if you have a guess. I'll let you know if you're right. All right, let's see our other pattern. This one I'm very excited about. Let's see. I'll give the size for all of them. This one is, I'm sure you can tell already, is a waffle. It's a little bit smaller than the secretly nerdy one. And then this one is mine as well. This one's a little bit bigger. It's an artist palette. And then my daughter wanted, she's kind of new to wearing glasses. She wanted the donut. Actually, this seems a little impractical for cleaning glasses, but we will give it a try. We'll see. If not, I'll have to give her this one, this painter's palette maybe. All right, let's try it out. I'm going to start with the secretly nerdy one, and I don't know if you can see how dirty they are. Let's see. It's kind of embarrassing, but they're not usually this dirty. I didn't clean them on purpose. I don't know if you can see how dirty they are. Yeah, you can kind of see there. So, but I will be honest with you, if they smear, I will let you know. All right. Now I'm just going to do it dry. This is usually how I clean them. This is how I prefer. I do have the sprays. I do use soap and water. But during the day, like, I just prefer to get a nice cloth. And I had a nice cloth that would clean them very well. And I would keep that cloth clean, and it was wonderful, and I had to get rid of it. All right, let's see. I don't think, you see? I think they look cleaner already. There we go. Yeah, they look cleaner already. The key though for me is when oh, there you can see how dirty this side is, see? That was how this side was, and look, it looks really, really good. I'm very excited. But to me, I don't think you can tell till you put them on. So I'm putting them on. Looks pretty good. I do recommend these cloths, and there I am with my glasses, and I can see really well. Just making sure there's very no spots. Clean. Now, since I hadn't cleaned them in a while, really well. I'm very excited. A little bit of soap and water, we'll see. With long-term uses, I was very thorough today. Even dry, they came out beautiful. I am very excited. I've been looking for years. On the other side. So I recommend it. Let me know if you get one, or if you've guessed the pattern. And this one's a little bit harder to grip. Bye. But it seems to be okay now. Yeah, I have tried. You don't have to message me about sprays and things like that. I have special sprays. Unless you have like some miracle spray, let me know. But I don't usually prefer them. They kind of irritate my eyes a little bit. I think the smell, maybe it's an allergy. Just makes my eyes tear a little bit, having that smell next to. So unless I'm going to be able to rinse it off, looks pretty good. I can see a few spots that I missed. But generally speaking, what I've been seeing with the cheaper cloths is like that starburst, like it kind of smears everything, and then and it looks clean, and you put them on, and then the sun or light or something hits it, and then you just get that starburst smear of light. Let me see. Oh yeah, these are perfect. I'm very excited. I'm going to give these 2 thumbs up for just being fun and for cleaning. And of course, my secretly nerdy. Let me know what you think that pattern is. And this only one is maybe this one, because this one, if this was a little bit bigger, if it was the size of the waffle and had the hole in it, it wouldn't be so big of a deal. But I don't know. Let me see. Like, I feel like at some point my fingers or my daughter's fingers will slip, and then you get fingerprints, and that's not really what I'm looking for. I'm looking for them to be clean. So this one's not my favorite. I'm glad it's not mine, but if she doesn't like it, I will give her one of mine. And I love them, and this is from Nerdwax, so I do recommend them. I am very excited, and I probably will buy more, especially these secretly nerdy ones. All right. So I do recommend these cloths, and there I am with my glasses, and I can see really well. They are very clean. Now, since I hadn't cleaned them in a while, they probably could have used a little bit of soap and water and definitely a spray. But even dry, it they came out beautiful. I am very excited. I've been looking for years, so I recommend it. Let me know if you get one or if you've guessed the pattern, and I will see you again soon. Bye.